Alright guys, this video is a little bit different from my other videos, but I'm here to talk about it because this is very important. When you're running your website, backlink is very important. Backlink is that where you're going to post your website link and others website post. From that, you're going to drive organic traffic to your website. How you're going to do that is by you doing a guest post. You're going to go to different website and you're going to post an articles and you're going to insert your website link. From there, you can drive a traffic to them, because when you are building your website, this is my website, is getting around 500 to 1000 views per month. But if you want to increase that to 20,000 to 50,000 views, you need to have a backlink for your post and your website, guys. How you can do that, I'm going to talk about how you can get those free articles and where you can post those articles. I'm going to show you on a website. That website have a list of over 1000 websites where you can post this free article and you can build backlink for that. So first, before that, what you have to do is subscribe, like and share, press the bell icon. If you're really interested on tutorial video like this, leave a like and leave a comment so I can make those in the future, guys. So if you can get those free articles from this website called killerpr.com, killerprarticle.com. This website, you can see these are the categories here: art and entertainment, business, computer, education, food, health, home, internet, business, self-improvement, society, sports, vehicle, writing, speaking, and product review. So these are the categories. They have articles on it, hundreds of articles, free articles, so you can post them without any copyright problem. So here I'm going to show you on a website. This website is called linkio.com, linkio.com. This website has a list of guest posting site to build a backlink. So I'm going to put the exact link. You have to go to the link you have to go to linkio.com/guest posting site. So I'll put the link here in the description. Go and check it out. So they have a 1000 website here, and you can see there's one thing they give detail, so you can find the website for your niche, guys. So you can see they have a 1000 website. On here there's called email, so you have to click this one after you find the website. Click this one called reveal, and it will give this information like a category. Also, this website is about fashion and they added guest post, so they gave a specific link. So you click that, it will take you to the a link that allowing to post guest post. And you can see their traffic, they are getting very high traffic, and they have a domain authority nearly 87, which is good. And they have email, so you can contact them asking the permission for that. And this is the website name, guys. So you can see they have they give all the detail for free. And you can see there's a lots of different websites in different categories. You can see technology, design, education, self-improvement, entertainment, and other categories, I'll say. And lots of different other categories are here. So all you have to do is open this website. For example, I open this website here. I search on the specific thing called tech. So you can see these are the website writing article about technology, education. You can see business and technology related website are here. All you have to do is open those website here and read through the guest post requirements, create a free account with them, post articles. All you have to do, insert your website link. So for example, this is my website. I'm going to insert that link, so whenever the viewers read my post from this website, and they will come to my website. So you can do it for your own website, but if we have a Google site, also you can do it for Google site and build a backlink for Google site. From that, you're going to bring organic traffic to your website. Now, all you have to do is find a specific website. For example, here is about technology, right? Go to killerpr.com and you're going to find an article in technology. So you can see computer and technology. So we open that here, go computer and technology. You can see hardware, games, data recovery. So you can see data recovery, PLR articles. And now we will take you to this page where you can get those free articles. And now you have to do copy and paste this article into these sites, give them your article, put your website link, you can build a backlink. So when a website have a more backlink, Google started to promote that website on the search engine and #1 page, so you can get your organic traffic for your website. This is a way if you are building affiliate website, if you are building a website for affiliate product, this is one of the best way to build a backlink, doing guest post. So when you're starting, you don't know where to find. You had to do it manually. You had to search on Google to find a website, ask them to get permission. But here, over 1000 website is given to you guys for free. So find the website perfect for your niche and join and post guest post, and you can build a backlink. From that, you can create a website, and if you are promoting affiliate offers, then you can make money and fast, because it's going to take a while to build organic views by you posting on your website. But if you simultaneously post those articles on different websites, then you can build a backlink for your website, guys. I hope you understand this video. I'm doing it for my website, so I will let you know in the future how much traffic is increased from 500 to in the future, guys. And until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.